Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install custom themes on your Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Switch menu, your homebrew menu, then you're going to go to the Homebrew App Store. Then you're going to go over here, down to Tools, scroll down a bit, and you will see something called NXThemes Installer. You're going to click that, press download. Okay, now that that's done, before we go ahead and open it, you're going to go over here and select themes and find a theme you like. They have a large variety, but the one I'm going to use is minimalist. I already have it, so it won't tell me to install it, but when you go to it, just select install. Now let's go back to our homebrew menu. Scroll down until we see NXThemes installer. Click on it. We're going to go ahead and select a theme. I'm going to be using minimalist, like I said before. Just press A, it'll go ahead and install. Then it'll tell you need to preset your console. So go ahead and do that. Okay, and that's all for the method that we're going to be using the Homebrew App Store.